was leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Yeah, yeah. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet.
Queen bee, want no smoke with me. She so bougie, on appetite.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet.
I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, which is Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, honey. We are on the road to 50K subscribers, and I really want to hit that before 2020 is over, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your push notifications. So in today's video, I will be installing this wig right here. This is my mama wig, actually, so I really don't have that much information on it. No, this video is not sponsored, but I did this style when it was my birthday weekend, and a lot of y'all requested me to do this, so let's pop this baby off. If you're interested in where I got this hair from, check out my last video featuring JaterraBrown hair, and I'm also selling this wig on my Depop, so make sure you check my description box for that information. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig away, and we are going to get into installing this wig. I'm doing the ball cap method. I'm using the Got To Be spray. First, you know what you gotta do. You gotta get some scissors and cut your ears out. I suggest that you do this first so the cap can really lay down around your ear before you get the spraying. Now, what I can tell y'all about the wig that I'm installing is that it is a 360 lace wig, so I can pull it up in a half up, half down style without showing any lace or whatnot. So yeah, I don't know the inches or anything, but anyways, before I install the wig, I am going to put some makeup on my cap. So you want to make sure that you use a brush and some powder that you do not put on your face. I don't use this makeup for my face at all, and I don't use this brush for my face at all. This is definitely my wig materials. These are my wig materials, okay? Also, one thing you want to do is push all your hair back with some Got To Be something, girl. Use some type of edge control to make sure that none of your hair is showing underneath your cap. So I've noticed that when I put my makeup onto my cap and then I spray it with the Got To Be spray and then I lock it in by blow drying it, that gives me the most flawless outcome. It's like putting the makeup on before the Got To Be allows the makeup and the powder to seep into the cap, and then you spray it and you seal it with the Got To Be and the blow dryer. If you do it the opposite way, it's like the powder just sits on top of the spray, and sometimes it creates like an ashy after cast. I don't know, child, but yeah, that's a little tip for y'all. And then once that's done, you just want to make sure that everything is dry, and then you cut off the excess cap before you start laying that thing down. So today I wanted a quick and easy install, so I will only be using Got To Be spray to install this wig. But first I'm going to take some 50% alcohol and just remove all the makeup and the natural oils off of my skin so the spray can actually adhere to my skin completely. And then I'm just going to do 2 layers of got to be spray. And you want to let the first layer dry completely, but the second layer you want it to still be a little tacky. And then you're just going to melt the lace into your skin by using a rat tail comb. And that's really all there is to it. This is currently my favorite way to install my wigs. So yeah, and if you haven't clicked that like button yet or that subscribe button yet, what you doing, child? Hurry up and go do it so we can get back to the video. So whenever you're putting on a wig, regardless of the glue that you use, you always want to get an elastic band or some type of scarf to further press the lace into your skin. This is what's going to seal the deal. So I did already have this wig styled in the half up, half down, but don't worry, I'm gonna take it out completely and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So basically you want to section off enough hair at the top to put your hair into the ponytail, and then you want to put all the hair in the back away. Section it off so it doesn't bother you, okay? So right now I'm just literally gagging, you know, or however you say that word, waiting around until my lace is fully melted into my skin, and honey, it is. So also what you want to do is get 2 pieces out for the front. I like to put a little bit of mousse on the hair because it just makes the hair stick to each other and it allows the hair to stay out my way while I'm doing the ponytail. But I only took out a little bit of hair in the front because I didn't want too much, you know. It kind of gets stuck to my lashes, my lip gloss. It irritates me. So I don't have too much hair out in the front, but I do have these 2 pieces. And now what you're going to do is section out your baby hairs, okay? You want to do this before you start to pull your hair into the ponytail, because once you have your ponytail laid with your mousse, your spray, use your hot comb to seal it down, whatever, when you do that, that hair is going to be stuck, okay? You don't want to then pull the hair out for your baby hairs because you're just going to mess up all the work that you did. So once you do that, you're just going to put your hair into a ponytail like any other ponytail, and yeah, get ready to style. So in order to get the hair as slick as possible, all I wanted to use is Narubi setting mousse and a hard bristle brush. I've seen some people use water, but I think this hair was body wave texture, so I didn't want the hair to curl back up. But that's all I did. And at the end, I did spray the hair with some got to be spray because that's just some really strong hairspray. So it's just going to let everything stay into place. And if your hair is giving you a hard time, you can go over it with a hot comb. So to make this style look more put together and professional, I'm going to take some hair from the back, like that back section that we had for the half down part. I'm going to take a hair I'm gonna take some pieces of hair back there and wrap it around my hair tie. When I tried to take hair from the actual ponytail itself, it wasn't wrapping around the band correctly, and then I also didn't have a lot of hair in the ponytail to begin with. This wig must have been like 130 density, girl. It wasn't that thick, so I didn't want to take more hair from the ponytail itself because I want my ponytail to be skinny, you know. Also, wrapping the hair around the ponytail holder allows your pony to sit up higher, and it just makes it look more cute. So now all that there's left to do is curl all of the hair. So I'm using this wand curler that I got from Ulta a ton of years ago, and I set it to 392 degrees, and I'm just going to curl my hair basically for the rest of this video. I'm gonna curl one section towards my face and the other away from my face to create more volume, because like I said, this hair was a little thin, because my mom really likes natural wigs. And that's all I did. I'm also going to spray the head with Got2b spray to put some extra hold. And once I'm done, I am going to take a wide tooth comb to fluff out the curls just to give it a little bit more body and volume. Now, sweetie, this part is very crucial. very, very crucial to this style, okay? You have to tease the root of your ponytail to make it stand up a little more. What else people call it? Back comb, whatever you want to call it, sweetheart. Tease the roots of your pony just a little bit. Don't make it too nappy, but you just want to give it some more height and just make it thick a little bit, because if your ponies just sit on top of your curls and it really don't blend in to the rest of your hair, it's not going to look right. So make sure you do that. I'll be doing it before and after I curl the hair. So if you are still watching this video, I mess with you on a different level, okay? Because I know there was a lot of curling of the hair. But now I'm just going to lay my baby hairs with some mousse. That's really all I use on my baby hairs. And yeah, that is it for this half up, half down hairstyle. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up this video. I know I wasn't able to talk to you guys like, not person to person, but person to camera, but my house was a little hectic today, so I wasn't able to sit down and do like an in-depth talk through tutorial. But I hope you guys enjoyed the voiceover. If you enjoy the styles and you want to see more like updos and like actual styles with the weaves that I be installing, please comment down below. Tell me which ones I should try in the future, because I don't know, I'd be a little scared to do those, but definitely tell me down below in the comments and I'll be sure to try my best, okay? So yeah, without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
I know the multipliers I've been talking about the way I do it like you. They heard I was good, they wanna see it for sure.